I want to tell you something I've never admitted publicly. My entire business almost failed because of my logo. Not my product, not my marketing, not my pricing, my logo. Sounds crazy, right? But let me take you back to the beginning so you understand exactly how it happened and why hiring a logo designer on Fiverr saved everything. When I first launched my brand, I was obsessed with doing everything myself. I thought being an entrepreneur meant being a one-person army. Logo design? I told myself, how hard can it be? So I opened a free design tool, started clicking random shapes, random icons, random fonts, hoping something would look professional. But deep down, I knew the truth. It looked cheap. It looked rushed. It looked nothing like the brand I wanted to build. Still, I ignored my instincts. I convinced myself, people don't care about logos, they care about value. Oh, was I wrong? A few weeks later, I tried running ads. I sent proposals. I pitched collaborations. And one response hit me harder than anything I've heard in business. The message said, your brand seems interesting, but your logo feels low quality. It doesn't give a trustworthy first impression. That one line broke me. Because they were right. For the first time, I realized something. Your logo isn't decoration. It's identity, it's credibility, it's confidence, packaged into one symbol. And mine wasn't communicating any of that. I needed help, real help. But I thought professional logo designers cost hundreds, even thousands. And then, one night, while searching for solutions, I found Fiverr. Now, I'd heard of Fiverr before, but I never realized how deep the talent pool was. Logo designers from around the world, minimalist styles, luxury styles, bold styles, everything you could imagine. And the prices, way more affordable than I ever expected. But what caught my attention wasn't the price. It was the transparency. Every designer had real portfolios, real reviews, real examples, real delivery times. It wasn't guessing anymore. It was choosing. So I spent about an hour comparing designers, looking through their before and afters, their typography skills, their color psychology, and then I found one designer whose work instantly stood out. Clean, precise, memorable, everything my brand wasn't yet. So I reached out. I sent my brand story, my audience, my values, my vision. And the designer replied within minutes with a message that said, "Don't worry. I understand exactly what you need. Give me 48 hours. 2 days later, I got the email. Your logo draft is ready. My heart was pounding when I opened it. And when the image loaded, I froze. For the first time ever, my brand looked professional, elegant, premium, legitimate. This wasn't a logo. It was the version of my business I had always dreamed of seeing. Suddenly, everything changed. People started responding differently. My content looked cleaner. My website looked expensive. My confidence went through the roof. The same company that rejected me before, they reached out again. This time, they said my branding looked polished and trustworthy, all from hiring the right designer. Here's what I learned. A DIY logo might look okay, but okay doesn't build trust. Okay doesn't win partnerships. Okay doesn't make people believe in your brand. A professional designer sees things you don't. Shapes, spacing, color psychology, balance, symbolism, stuff that actually affects how people feel about you. And Fiverr makes that level of skill accessible to anyone, no matter your budget. So if you're serious about your brand, if you want to be taken seriously, if you want a logo that finally represents your vision, stop guessing. Stop settling. Stop doing everything yourself. Go to Fiverr. Browse designers. Find your style. And let a professional bring your brand to life the way it was always meant to be. The link is down below. It's the same process I used, and it changed everything. Because sometimes one good logo tells the world exactly who you are.